In order to accurately read the volume of the pipette, it must be primed before measuring the volume of the solution. In order to do this, you must draw up water through the pipette, then pour it out for a total of 3 times. Then do the same with solution for a total of 3 times.
Okay, so this is a meniscus. It's a curved line that goes like this, and this happens in water because of surface tension or adhesion. So the water particles are attracted to the sides of the glass more so than they are to each other, so it makes a little crescent shape. And you read the very bottom of it. So for this, it would be 3.50.
I started by drawing up the solution into the pipette, causing the initial volume, which was 6.12 milliliters. I then transferred the solution to the reaction vessel, stopping the solution at 9.54 milliliters. The volume delivered was 3.46 milliliters.
I began by pulling the water solution up through the pipette by squeezing the bulb and then placing it on the pipette. I then removed the bulb and placed my finger over the top of the pipette to keep the solution from draining. Then I read and recorded the initial volume, which was 4.21 milliliters, using the bottom of the meniscus. I then released my finger to let some solution flow into the new container. Then I read and recorded the final volume, which was 9.51 milliliters. The volume delivered was 5.30 milliliters.
The first thing I did was draw up some of the water solution using a pipette. Then I looked at the meniscus to find an accurate measure of volume at this point. I recorded the volume at 9.21 milliliters. Then I released some of this solution into a beaker. I looked at the meniscus again and found that the volume of the remaining solution was 10.18 milliliters. By subtracting this number from the initial volume, you can see that 0.97 was the volume delivered.
I began by pulling the solution up through the pipette. I read the solution to be 7.94 milliliters. I then released some solution and read the volume to be 8.41 milliliters. The volume delivered was 0.47 milliliters.